No card? Oh, okay.
Go around the table, show them all the piggy pancakes we made.
Go in your cage.
Okay. Now how to put syrup on your piggy pancake. Really good. Apparently Ashley doesn't like pancakes, so she's just gonna have cereal. No, she's gonna have grilled cheese this morning.
Oh yes. Because grilled cheese is for cool cats. And I like cats.
Okay, now.
Can I steal your nose?
Kyle's gonna feed Ashley a nose. Ready? Nom, 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 nom. Okay, well, I gotta go get a fork. Let's go get a fork in the kitchen. Hi, Dad.
Wait, how's man? You too, man?
Eat your ear.
Oh my god.
I ate half his face in one bite.
Murdering him. What the heck was that? Like 5 seconds so far?
Burp. Now remember to be a lady. Wipe your face.
Ben, let go of the syrup off the... What?
There we go. And that's how to eat a piggy. A Mickey Mouse pancake. Thank you very much. Thank you.